The future just got an upgrade. 2025 is unleashing mind-blowing gadgets, drones, and smart devices that feel straight out of science fiction. The world is about to change forever. Tell us in the comments, which futuristic gadget do you wish you could own right now? COLOGCS, COLOGCS is redefining gaming with a futuristic edge, turning ordinary play into an immersive sci-fi experience. This next-level gaming control system uses AI-driven feedback, biometric tracking, and adaptive controls to make every move feel real. Its ultra-responsive sensors, Level Lock Plus. What if you could unlock your home with just a tap? Meet the Level Lock Plus, the smart lock designed for Apple Home keys and beyond. Seamlessly blending into your existing hardware, it keeps your home secure without looking techy. With Bluetooth, Siri integration, and digital key sharing, you're in total control, whether at home or miles away. Powered by a long-lasting CR2 battery, installation takes minutes, not hours. Safety, style, and smart convenience, all in one lock. Deco Key. Need more storage without the headache of PC upgrades? Meet Deco Key, the sleek magnetic SSD enclosure that gives your system a massive boost in seconds. Supporting up to 2 terabytes M.2 NVMe SSDs with 10 gigabit per second transfer speed, it makes your files portable, fast, and secure. No tools, no hassle, just snap it in and go. Compatible with laptops, tablets, and phones, Deco Key also features hot plug protection for worry-free swaps. Compact, powerful, and future-ready, it's storage reimagined. Meet the Govee Strip Lite 2 Pro. Want to turn your living room into a cinematic masterpiece? Meet the Govee Strip Lite 2 Pro, the smart LED upgrade everyone's talking about. With over 100 customizable presets, true-to-life 16-bit color precision, and seamless DreamView syncing, it transforms your TV nights into an immersive theater experience. From cozy vibes to party mode, these lights respond instantly to your music and smart home devices. Why settle for ordinary lighting when you can create magic with Govee? Zensilabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle, ready to take your creativity to the next level. Meet the Zensilabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle, a professional drawing solution designed for artists, designers, and creators. With a 12-inch wireless graphics tablet, 2 battery-free pens, each with customizable buttons, and an OLED Quick Keys display offering up to 40 programmable functions. It's built for precision and comfort. Its gentle slope design reduces hand strain, while compatibility with Windows, Mac, and Linux makes it the perfect all-in-one creative. VLTROX 12-watt RGB camera light. Want to take your photos and videos from basic to breathtaking? Meet the VLTROX 12-watt RGB camera light, the pocket-sized powerhouse every creator needs. With 2,500 to 8,500K adjustable lighting, true RGB color effects, and a built-in 22 watt-hour battery, it gives you up to 2 hours of nonstop brilliance. Lightweight yet powerful, it even doubles as a power bank on the go. Add the silicone diffuser for stunning textured portraits and unlock studio-quality results anywhere. Compact, creative, game-changing. ColorLight Mix Acid. Want to light up your world without breaking the bank? Meet the ColorLight Mix Acid, the smart modular lighting system that transforms any room into a creative masterpiece. With 16+ million RGB color combinations, fully customizable designs, and music syncing effects, it's perfect for gaming setups, ambient decor, or party vibes. Each light can be controlled individually or together, giving you limitless freedom to design your mood. Affordable, stylish, and powerful. ColorLight Mix Acid isn't just lighting, it's an experience. HubPack X. Tired of worrying about thieves when you travel? Meet the HubPack X, the ultimate anti-theft smart backpack built for modern explorers. With cut-resistant fabric, a built-in charging station, and a secure TSA lock, your gear stays safe wherever you go. It features dual compartments for electronics and daily essentials, expandable storage up to 3.7 liters, plus waterproof protection for all conditions. Whether you carry it as luggage or wear it on your back, HubPack X combines style, security, and smart innovation. Water in H-Boost Smart Water Bottle. Struggling to stay hydrated during your busy day? Meet the Water H-Boost Smart Water Bottle, your new fitness and lifestyle companion. This 32-ounce insulated stainless steel bottle syncs with your smartphone to remind you when it's time to drink. Every sip earns you points you can redeem for rewards, making hydration fun and motivating. Its glowing light ring keeps you on track, while the double-wall vacuum design keeps drinks cold or hot for hours. Stay healthy, refreshed, and rewarded every single day. Your OKR Marble Run Model Building Kit. Looking for a gadget that's part DIY challenge and part futuristic home decor? Meet the ROKR Marble Run Model Building Kit, a cyberpunk-inspired masterpiece that blends creativity with tech. With a USB-C port for motor upgrades, glowing LED lights, and intricate moving parts, this kit is more than just a toy. It's an experience. Build it in just 4 hours, reduce screen time, and watch marbles flow in a mesmerizing loop. Perfect for creators, collectors, and curious minds alike. Anti-gravity. A1, think drones are cool. The anti-gravity A1 takes flight to a whole new level. This is the world's first drone with native 8K 360-degree capture, letting you record everything around you with zero blind spots. Thanks to real-time stitching, the drone literally disappears from your shots, making your footage look like pure magic. Weighing just 249 grams, it's compact, license-friendly, and controlled with an intuitive grip. Just point and fly. Add FPV goggles and experience true freedom in the sky. Jun Smooth 5S AI. Want Hollywood-level shots right from your phone? Meet the Jun Smooth 5S AI, the gimbal that redefines mobile filmmaking. With AI-powered tracking, 360-degree rotation, and a built-in magnetic fill light, this stabilizer keeps every shot buttery smooth and perfectly lit. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or shooting cinematic B-roll, its single-hand controls make filming effortless. Lightweight yet powerful, it transforms your smartphone into a pro camera setup. Ready to create content that turns heads? The Smooth 5S AI makes it happen. Hoto Electric Spin Scrubber. Hate scrubbing your bathroom tiles and tubs? Meet the Hoto Electric Spin Scrubber, the powerful cleaning tool that makes dirt disappear with zero effort. With a 300 RPM motor, 2.5 Newton meters torque, and 6 interchangeable brush heads, it blasts through grime without scratching surfaces. Waterproof with an IPX7 rating and delivering up to 110 minutes of runtime, it's built for deep cleaning from showers to sinks. Say goodbye to back-breaking scrubbing. Hoto turns cleaning into a quick, satisfying win. Musin Wild Go. Looking for a speaker that's tiny but insanely powerful? Meet the Musin Wild Go, the portable Bluetooth speaker built for adventure. With an 8-hour battery life, IPX5 waterproof rating, and a punchy 36mm driver, it delivers crisp, loud sound wherever you go. Its rugged anti-slip, drop-resistant design makes it perfect for hiking, camping, or everyday use. Clip it on your bag or wear it on a lanyard. Musin Wild Go proves big sound really can come in small packages. Insta360 Ace Pro and Ace. Ready to upgrade your action shots? Meet the Insta360 Ace Pro and Ace, the ultimate action cameras built with Leica's co-engineered optics. Featuring a massive 1/1.3-inch sensor, AI noise reduction, and 4K 120 frames per second recording, these cameras deliver stunning clarity even in low light. The flip touchscreen keeps you in control, while modes like active HDR and super slow motion capture every detail. Waterproof, powerful, and future-ready, the Insta360 Ace Pro and Ace are built to make your adventures unforgettable. Gavi RGBX Smart Table Lamp 2. Want to transform your room with just a tap? Meet the Gavi RGBX Smart Table Lamp 2, the stylish upgrade that brings 64 dynamic scene modes right to your nightstand. With Matter, Alexa, Google Home, and HomeKit support, it syncs seamlessly to your smart home. Whether you're setting cozy vibes, party lights, or music reactive effects, this lamp does it all with a unique translucent design that steals the spotlight. One lamp, endless moods. The future of lighting is here. iLic. What if your desk companion wasn't just smart, but alive with personality? Meet iLic, the interactive desktop robot that's more than a toy. With touch sensors, emotions, and even the ability to play games, iLic responds to your mood in real time. Introduce it to friends and it can start a party or even a playful fight. Constantly evolving with firmware updates, iLic grows smarter and more fun over time. Cute, curious, and full of life, your new best buddy has arrived. Olight O-Clip Pro. Need a light that goes everywhere you do? Meet the Olight O-Clip Pro, the pocket-sized powerhouse with up to 500 lumens of floodlight or 120-meter spotlight beam. Weighing under 53 grams, it clips onto your gear, lanyard, or any magnetic surface for hands-free use. With a red light mode, USB-C charging, and IPX6 waterproof rating, it's built for work, travel, and adventure. Compact, tough, and versatile. The O-Clip Pro is the everyday carry light you didn't know you needed. Arlo Essential 2nd Generation. Worried about home security? Meet the Arlo Essential 2nd Gen, the next-level outdoor security camera designed to keep you safe day and night. With 2K resolution, 130-degree wide view, and color night vision, it captures every detail with crystal clarity. Built to withstand rain, snow, and heat, it's completely wire-free with a long-lasting rechargeable battery. Add in two-way audio, an integrated spotlight, and instant alerts, and you've got smart protection that works anytime, anywhere. Safety has never looked this sharp. Charge Ice Mag 2. What if your power bank was smarter, cooler, and twice as powerful? Meet the Charge Ice Mag 2, the 15-watt MagSafe power bank that redefines charging on the go. With a massive 10,000 milliamp hour capacity, it keeps your iPhone alive all day while the transparent kickstand doubles as a phone holder. Its built-in cooling fan prevents overheating, and the 30-watt fast charging even powers up your MacBook Air. Strong magnetic grip, portrait or landscape use. This isn't just a charger, it's innovation in your pocket. A CK05 wireless shortcut remote. What if you could control your creative workflow with just one hand? Meet the ACK05 wireless shortcut remote, the compact tool built for creators, editors, and designers. With 10 customizable shortcut keys, a dial switch, and support for up to 40 programmable functions. It saves you time while boosting productivity. Use it wirelessly with Bluetooth or plug in for stability. The choice is yours. With 300 hours of battery life, this smart remote is small, powerful, and game-changing. EZark electric screwdriver. Tired of struggling with tiny screws on your gadgets? Meet the EZark electric screwdriver set, the ultimate repair tool for phones, laptops, and delicate devices. With 181 precision bits, 3 torque settings, and a blazing 190 RPM motor, it makes every fix faster and easier. Switch between electric and manual mode anytime, and enjoy up to 200 minutes of use per charge. Compact, powerful, and beginner-friendly. The EZark kit is the one screwdriver set every tech lover needs. Mag mirror. Are you still vlogging with your phone's front camera? Then you're missing out on the real magic. Introducing Mag Mirror, the game-changing gadget that turns your smartphone into a professional vlogging studio. With real-time back camera monitoring, built-in LED lighting modes, and a 4-hour battery life, this tiny device delivers crystal-clear, cinematic content anywhere you go. No bulky gear, no hassle, just pure creativity in your pocket. Ready to level up your videos? The Mag Mirror makes every shot unforgettable. Thanks for watching Next Level Tech Gadgets you need in 2025. The future of smart devices, drones, and cool inventions starts here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated on the latest tech that's changing the world.